Hi guys, so today I actually had another video planned, but I am going to be doing this video instead for today. So I'm going to be reviewing and demoing the Kiss Falsecara starter kit. I am super excited. I have used this before, but I only got the bond and seal thing. I didn't get the lashes or the applicator, so I'm really excited to start using this. And it also comes with instructions. I already opened it, by the way. That, and then I also got the Kiss Falsecara remover. And then what is actually still coming is the, I think it's the, let's see, overnighter. It's still coming. Probably it will be here by next Wednesday. I'm just going to be doing just using this today. So it comes with 5 lashes, the bond and seal little glue thing, and then a little applicator. I have my own applicator like this. I don't know if I want to use this one or if I want to use the one that they provide. I mean, I'll see. So what I did off camera is I took off all the excess mascara and excess glue, lash glue that I have on my lashes. I actually used to remove the excess mascara with the falsecara remover. It's amazing. I love this stuff. I guess let's get into it. I'm kind of scared. Like I said, I've done this before, but I just used this and I cut up some of my lashes, and that was a while ago, so I'd have no idea how to do it still. Step 1, bonding time. Brush a light coat of bond, that's this, on your natural lashes. A little goes a long way. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take this out, and I noticed when I open the entire thing that it comes, like, you take this part out and then you can remove the individual lashes. So I guess we're gonna do this first. I'm gonna actually try to get up close to the mirror. So I'm still on the first. I don't know, does it say to curl your lashes first? I don't know, should I do that? You know what, I'm gonna go get my lash curler because I want to do that. I'm just going to curl the lashes just a little bit. Okay, here we go. I'm scared. I've heard that you're supposed to do it like kind of, I saw people kind of just do it at the base of the lashes. So I have one of the lashes. Oops. I'm gonna try it with the applicator that it comes with, I think. Okay, yeah, that is tricky. I'm struggling here. I got it, I think? That's one. It came off. This is gonna take me a while to do, so I'm gonna come back and kind of rate with this eye done. Okay, this eye is on, and lashes are on. I can't believe how it was challenging, but I mean, I got it. It was easy to go from the inner corner to the outer corner though. But it does say to go from the outer to the inner, but for me, it's easier to go to the inner to outer. I do have one lash left that I could try to put on. But I feel like for my eye shape, I like the 4. So I'm just going to keep it like this. So I'm just going to put them back in the little, or just put this one back in the little thing, and then we can do it this side. So I decided that I'm going to speed through this just so you guys can see how the application goes. This time for this eye I did it with my fingers. I'm going to try to do it with the applicator this time. You know, I don't like it, the applicator. Okay, so all of the lashes are on right now. I definitely have to work a little bit harder when applying this eye with the lashes, or both, but this eye is a little tricky. but definitely the inner corners too are really hard to apply. So I think I'm going to be now doing my face makeup, and then we can also talk about how to remove these lashes. So I'm just going to get all of my makeup out really quick, and then we'll be right back. Okay, so let's talk about the removal process. So it just says to, let's see, take a cotton pad and saturate the remover, or saturate the remover with a cotton pad, and place over eyes, hold for 10 seconds, and gently wipe away the remove wisps and bond seal. And then it says to like repeat as necessary. So I don't know, it's great, but I feel like I can use these individual lashes with regular lash glue. I mean, I am going to be using this sometimes, but not all the time. But yeah, I really, really like these. I think these are going to be my everyday lashes. They're easy to put on, and well, once I get the hang of it, they'll be really easy. So I hope you all enjoyed today's video, and see you guys in the next one. Bye!